This is Matt from MGMT Boston. Here on this episode of Lantern today, we are just outside of South Station with the groundcover team. We have Garret, the regional director of the East Coast, and Jimmy, the head of solutions engineering here at groundcover. Guys, what are you and your team building here?
I think we're building a very special organization from a go-to-market standpoint that are going out there and attacking a market observability that's been pretty stale for a number of years. SaaS economics have broken the way organizations are going out and procuring observability, a vital technology. And then this AI revolution, I think it's just shown a spotlight on the fact that there needs to be new players in the game, and we're very well positioned to do that and very excited to be here.
Now, groundcover founded in Tel Aviv, offices in San Francisco, and now a growing presence in Boston. So what are you working on in 2026? What are you guys excited about that you'd like to share with the community?
Yeah, I think the first piece of this is finding the best local talent we can and plugging them in as quickly as possible. We found that we have a very cool leadership team here that's seen all of this type of growth in previous organizations, and we've already brought in the leadership core, and now it's time to bring in the talent and take this product to market.
It's building the right culture, results-based organization, but people who want to have fun, want to grow their careers, want to test themselves, and show up and be a little bit uncomfortable every single day because it's fastly evolving, and it's already grown so much in the 5 months that I've been here, and we're really just getting started. So, groundcover as itself has grown over 500% year over year. We've already doubled this year as an organization. We're growing out the Boston office, San Francisco as well, from a sales leadership for engineering, marketing, customer success. Tel Aviv is already a booming office as it is. So really working cross-functionally with all different parts of the organization as we continue to scale at a rapid pace.
I think that rapid pace is coming from the over 300 plus customers that are leveraging groundcover today with a near 100% customer retention rate, proving that the product works. And those customers span from some of the largest to some of the smallest startups that we have right down the road.
I think really one highlight here though is here in Boston, just since I started in February, this is our fourth office in 5 months. So the growth is really exceptional and continuing to double almost quarter over quarter and looking for obviously the best to come and help with that. But that scale is just a true beacon of where the market's heading and realizing that observability is broken in a variety of different ways and groundcover is a very unique solution to help solve that.
Just to double down on that scale piece, we've found a way to scale this thing proportionately across engineering, marketing, and sales. And just this office alone, since January, moving from around 5 folks to close to 50 folks is pretty crazy. So very soon we will burst out of the seams for the 4th time in this Boston office to our own 17,000 square feet right down the road. So pretty exciting.
And you guys are new in seat, but you have obviously careers that precede this. What have you learned from building this company and in your careers before that you would share with up and coming builders in the AI era?
The first thing that comes to mind comparing this to some of the previous organizations is you don't have to wait to build things in a series motion, meaning your internal go-to-market plus channel plus other avenues. You can do them all in tandem. That's what I'm finding here is we've cultivated the right leaders at the right time, all with their own marching order to scale each piece of this business at the exact same time. And we're finding a ton of success doing it.
I would say from a go-to-market standpoint, it's understanding that you're going to have to change and finding individuals that are okay with the fact that my sales process that might have been repeatable 8 to 12 months ago is probably going to change in ensuing quarters, especially with this AI boom. It's learning the fact that, hey, good is always going to be something we're striving for, but what good looks like is constantly changing from a go-to-market standpoint, whether it's a pure PLG motion, augmented by SLG, a mixture of both. So a lot of fun as a sales individual to be able to be here and grow professionally and work in a product space that is continuing to change month over month.
And lastly, how can we help you all grow here in Boston and around the world?
It's a brand awareness. We are growing so significantly fast. We're taking over a market share that's dominated by the Datadogs and New Relics of the world, and there's a lot of organizations who aren't happy with that right now. The SaaS economics in the AI world are broken in a variety of different ways, but more specifically, especially in observability. So understanding that groundcover can come in and already before this, take a decent amount of market share away from these individuals and now do it at scale. People who are excited by that, people that want to learn the fact that there is a new way to do observability. I think that's what is the most exciting part, and then just understanding who groundcover is. It's a great place to work. It's an amazing leadership team. I've never been part of an organization where leadership cares so much about the actual individuals who work here, and it's really, really refreshing. I hope people reach out, ask more. I'd love to talk to you about what we're doing, what we're building, and how you can be a part of it.
Yes, our development team likes to delight the customer, and the product is a very delightful one to use. But internally, we truly care about the experience on each of our employees and delighting the employee experience just as much. So it's one of those things to shine a line on and let any potential engineer or sales individual know that we care.
This is the ground cover team on this episode of Lantern. Matt from MGMT Boston. Excited to see you guys keep growing.
Thanks, Matt. Appreciate it.